How to add a background photo to Instagram stories. First, you want to open Instagram on your device. Now, you just want to find a photo that you want to put on your Instagram stories. So, let's say this one. Now, you want to take a screenshot of this post and then edit out all the unnecessary bits just to make sure that this photo is in your gallery. Now, you want to tap on this button right here and then tap on Add to Story. Once you do that, you want to tap on the sticker icon, and now you want to tap on this icon right here. Now you just want to select the photo that you have taken a screenshot of. Now what you want to do next is you want to make sure that this post right here is small, and now you just want to resize the photo like this. Now you just want to adjust both of these images until it looks good. So once it does, you simply want to tap on your stories to share this story to your Instagram. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.